have a very nice quick tip for you. Sometimes you're riding, okay, and suddenly you have to stop because you want to take a picture of this beautiful view. Is that marvelous? Oh, I love the sunrise here. So the tip is very simple, but always remember to lower one gear before you start pedaling again. Why? So this way you protect your knee, because if you were riding, you were faster. When you stop, you have to do more. It's hard to pedal, you know. Okay. When you stop, take the weight out of the pedal, okay? And then you change the gear. Never change your gear when pedaling forward or when you have weight on your pedal, because the engines, they had to be free to move around. Hub gears, they're great. Especially if you're going uphill, you have to get the lower gear you can.